Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited today because I'm going to be attempting the reverse cat eye. I've seen it all over TikTok and I'm finally going to try it. It's my first time, so let's go ahead and see what happens. The first thing I'm going to be doing is taking my Profusion eye primer and putting this all over the base of my eyelid so that if we work with any eyeshadows, we have something that it will stick to, and this will just prep us for also eyeliner or anything else that we put on around the eye. Today I'm just going to do my eyes first, so that's why I'm starting with those. And then I'm also just taking my e.l.f. putty primer, and I got the matte one, and just putting the primer all over my face as well. I like to do this with the eye step, or like in the beginning too, just to kind of get it out of the way and that my face is prepped before anything else. Now I'm just going to be taking my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser and using that as concealer. But first I'm going to go in with my Milani Supercharged Brightening Under Eye Tint and first brighten up those under eyes. I feel like this does make a difference when I use it first and then use my concealer. It just helps brighten the eyes just a tad bit, but enough for me to know that there is a difference, so I will continue using it. Because we are doing the reverse cat eye, I'm just going to be taking my concealer and concealing under my eye for now instead of my full face, because I just want to focus on the eyes first before we do the full face, and a lot of the shadow and eyeliner will be going under there, so I'm just going to get that prepped for now. And once we're complete with that, I'm going to go in with my new Kylie eyeliner pencil in the color black, and this stuff is so creamy and thick that it's amazing and also hard to work with at the same time, if that makes sense. I really like it, but it is very thick, so I think that's why I'm going to advise you guys to use a light hand and maybe just spread it out more versus what I did. And you can even see on my lower lash line that it comes out very thick. To smudge this out, I kind of took this flat brush and I started to just define a cat eye line and smudge out that lower lash line as well as I could. And this eyeliner, I'm telling you guys, it's really good and I liked it a lot. It's very black, but a lot can go, or a little can go a long way. So definitely go light-handed with it. I would love to try this look again with maybe half as much eyeliner as I did. But again, as you can see here, it just keeps getting more black and more thick. So take that into consideration if you guys are using the same eyeliner pencil. If not, you'll probably have a nice thinner, slimmer under eye look than what I came up with. And once you do one eye, you're just going to want to do the other eye, and this is kind of what I ended up with. Even though it looks a little crazy, we're going to try and do something with it. I'm going to go in with this darker brown shade, and I'm going to try and just smoke out that lower lash line even more. And like I said, if you went in with a thinner kind of pencil, your look will probably not look as thick as mine, but that's okay. Now I'm going to go in with this lighter shade and kind of just buff that all into the eyelid, just to give us some dimension and some color up there instead of leaving it fully plain. I'm just going to be taking another tan shade from my Michaela palette right there, and I'm just going to be adding it on top of the color we put into our lid, just to kind of buff it out a bit more and to make it a bit more neutral in just our skin tone. And then I will be going in with eyeliner to create a small cat winged liner on top. And then to make it as close to my lash line as possible, I'm going to be taking some black eyeshadow and pressing it into that lash line as best as I can so that it will be as thin as I can make it. To really clean up, I'm going to take a baby wipe and then kind of tug at the skin just a little bit and make that point as pointy as possible, or as much as I can make it, because it's kind of difficult to really make this even on both sides, but I'm going to give it a try. This is kind of what I come up with and how I clean my eyes up every time. So here's me finally with both done, because it takes a lot of effort, let me tell you. That's why I was so tired already. But yeah, here's me with both eyes done. I'm going in with this gold shade from an older ColourPop palette, and I'm just going to throw that shimmer on the inner corner because I love when my eyes are highlighted like that. I just think it looks super pretty on me, and this was a random spur of the moment decision. Now I'm going to be taking some eyelashes, prepping my eyes with mascara and throwing on those eyelashes. For me, I don't want my eyelashes to be too dramatic or too subtle, so I thought these were the perfect pick. And yeah, apparently the eyelashes are supposed to really just make this look pop, and this is what it looks like. This is me with a full face of makeup, and this is me all dressed up with the eye look. What do you guys think? I felt like it was really dramatic and really different. I kind of liked it, I kind of didn't. I wasn't really sold because it was just so thick of a bottom eye look. I kind of want to do a thinner version, or maybe just reattempt it with some color. But I will say, if you have brown eyes, this will definitely make your brown eyes pop. I really loved that about this makeup look. But let me know what you guys think. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Have a great day. Love you. Goodbye.